Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our microphone is not working in our Windows 10 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our settings. Please click on your Windows icon and then go to settings. Now here from the left pane, please select privacy and security and scroll down to look for microphone options under app permissions. Then click on it, and please make sure that the microphone access that says anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on is turned on, and let apps access your microphone is turned on also. And you can also individually turn on the microphone access of each application that you want to have an access with your microphone. So you can turn on such application permission by just clicking on this button here, and you can also turn it off. Okay, so that's how you do it. And once we're done with in here, please go close it, and then here in this icon here, sound icon or speaker icon, please click on sound settings. Make a right click on it and then just go to sound settings. Once we're in sound settings, please scroll down a little bit and then click on more sound settings, and this sound window will be up on your screen. Please make sure that you select the right device or the right microphones and the right speakers that you're using. And once selected, by default, please click on properties and then make sure that here in this levels tab you choose or you set the volume to 100, as well as for the speakers, go to properties and then set the levels to 100. Okay, and then just see if your microphone is now working or not. And after doing that, you can also troubleshoot sound problems and follow the process of how you can fix your microphone's working problems. And if it still doesn't work, we can also go with the last option we have, which is to go to the device manager. Just make a right click on your Windows icon and then go to device manager options. Let me just expand this one. And in here we need to go to sound, video, and game controllers. Under this one you will find the audio and the microphone you're using. So just select the microphone that you're using, and once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on disable. And then once disabled, just click again, just go again to this window and then just enable again this one. And if it still doesn't work, just click on the update driver options and then click on the first option that says search automatically for drivers and see if it's working. Okay, so it's very easy. I hope you followed the process completely, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.